What's up guys, it's your girl Tiff and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing, guess what? Another wig review. Yes! If you guys have not seen my last wig review on the What a Lace Raina wig, I'm going to go ahead and link that right here. Go check that out. But I did mention in that particular review that I had purchased 2 wigs from Sensational Cloud9 What a Lace line. I had purchased Raina and Celeste, and today we are rocking Celeste. Like, we rocking Celeste. I'm feeling it. I decided to do a different approach versus me like doing an unboxing and putting it on and cutting the lace and all that stuff. I actually wanted to wear this wig for a couple days to kind of give you guys a different type of review. So let's go. So like I said, I'm wearing the Sensational Cloud9 Celeste wig. So it comes like this in this lovely package right here. I ordered this wig off of Diva Tress, I believe. I'm not 100% sure, but I am going to link the website where I purchased the wig from as well as the price of the wig in the description bar below. But this is the wig, Celeste. This is the stock card, how it came. I have this wig in the color 1, so I love it. And again, I know you guys have probably been seeing this wig floating around YouTube for some time now, but I was just able to get my hands on this one as well. That's a lie. I've had this wig for almost 2 months. But anyway, I wanted to just kind of wear this wig a little bit before doing this review. I am fresh off of work. I literally just walked in my house about 15 minutes ago and I'm like, let me do this review. So to get started, this is the wig. I have it on. I'm gonna zoom it in for y'all. This is the hairline. As you can see, it is extremely natural. Don't mind that the lace is lifting because I have literally had this wig on since about 6:30 this morning and it is now 6:30 in the evening. I am not going to ramble because I know y'all just want to get to the deets. So I like the wig. I like the quality of the wig. I like the fact that it is not shiny. It's not that super like fake look. It does tangle, but that is to be expected because the wig is long. I would say at least a good 26 inches or so because it comes down the middle of my back. It is free part, so you can part it however you like. All I did was put a little bit of foundation under the lace to blend it in with my scalp, but overall this is the wig. I love this wig. I love this line. If I could purchase every wig from this line, I would do it. I just absolutely love it. I think this is like, I thought I liked Raina, but I do love it. I love this for work. Like, I wore Raina a couple times for work, but I like this for work. Again, this wig is super soft. It does tangle. The one thing I don't like about the curls is like as I'm trying to separate the curls or run my fingers through it, it's like one big curl and I kind of want to separate it, but when I separate it, it gets a little frizzy, a little tangled, so I don't necessarily like that. But other than that, I love the wig. I do like the fact that it blended. I did cut just slightly a few baby hairs to kind of slick it down because I'm not a baby hair girl, but I did like cut a few baby hairs to kind of blend it in with my scalp. And like I said, I put foundation underneath the lace. I don't tint the lace. I don't pre or pluck or do anything additional besides cut the lace, put a little foundation under there and throw it on my scalp. I love this wig. I'm trying to talk a little fast because my camera is literally probably going to die within the next 2 minutes. So I already wanted to make this a very short and sweet review. Again, I've worn it for about 3 days now and I do absolutely love it. I think this is one of the best wigs, most affordable wigs. Again, the luster is wonderful. The tangle, okay, it does have light shedding, which is fine. I don't sleep in my wig. I take it off every night and I reapply it in the morning. And I just reply with a little bit of the Got2b glue, either the spray or the actual gel. And again, yeah, this is the wig. I like to wear mine as a side part. But you can, you know, wear it back, do another side, put it up. You can do all of that. But I definitely love wearing it as a side part. The curls are so voluminous. It's just like unbelievable. Like, I love it. I absolutely love it. You probably can apply heat to this hair, but I'm not going to do that because there really is no need. I love the look of it being worn for a couple days because it kind of looks a little bit worn out. You know, it's not like fresh curls, you know, like coming out the bag. But yeah, this is that wig, y'all. Like, I don't know what else to say, but Sensational Cloud9, y'all did the damn thing. Y'all did the damn thing with this line of wigs, from Celeste to Raina to Morgan, Amber, whatever. All these wigs y'all got out there, y'all did y'all damn thing, and I appreciate that from the depths of my soul and my pockets. If you guys want me to do an update, like a 2 or 3 week update, then please go ahead and let me know in the comment section below. I kind of want to get out of doing the quick unboxing, try on the wig, show you. I actually want to give you guys some really good content and really let you know how this wig is holding up. So I'm probably going to start doing my reviews on the wigs after wearing them for a couple days. Like I said, I haven't worn this for about 3 days. Wore it out with the girls, wore it to work, and yeah, I love it. Like I said, I don't like the frizziness of it a little bit, but I know I can fix that. But I do love like how natural the part, how natural the lace is looking. And I am not that girl that knows how to tint and bleach and all of that, pluck knots. Like, nah, I took it out the package, I cut it and then I put a little bit of foundation underneath the lace and then applied it to my head, and here we go. And y'all, like, I got better with like blending my lace. Like, I have to admit to myself, like, Tiff, you got so much better in blending your lace. Like I said, it is lifting but if I put it down, like, for real, look at that, y'all. Look at that. It's lifting. It's been on all day and I'm about to snatch it off anyway, so no big deal. Like I said, I just wanted to film this really quick before I snatch this wig off. But overall, it was worth every penny, and you already know I only buy affordable wigs. I'm not paying $80, $90. It's not happening, not with these pockets. So this is my review on the Celeste wig. I hope you guys like it. And if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.